Welcome to the next module of HTML coding with me. In the previous module, we have looked at how we can embed a video file using HTML5. The tags that we had actually looked or basically used to embed the video were the source tag, the video tag, src, width attribute, and the height attribute. In this particular module, we will look at how do we embed a MP3 or an audio file on your website. To keep things simple, please remember all of these tags which we have covered or the attributes we have covered are going to be, we'll be using the same without any difference. But what we are going to do is, the only difference is, the video tag that we were using will now be replaced with the audio tag. That's all you need to remember. And without further delay, let's actually see how we can embed an audio file. I recommend you to already download an audio file before you start practicing this module with me. Let's get started. So what I have done so far, I have a basic structure of HTML already created, and I have a heading tag in which I have written an information. I'm giving an information. This is how do we embed the audio files in HTML5. What we are going to do now is bring the tag to see how best we can include the audio file. To embed the audio file, since my audio file is present in this folder, I'll click on this folder and copy the path where this audio file is there. As we've already discussed this, when you bring this particular path onto your HTML code, make sure you have changed these slashes which we use in the path. Another very important point is we will be using type as audio, because what are we doing? We are embedding an audio file. If you want to set a specific width and height, you can always set it here by giving a specific width and height in form of a pixels or percentage. If you want it to just leave it, keep it like this and let the browser take it as per its size, you can ignore the width and the height attribute. Once you've written the code, we'll save the code and we'll run the web page to see if this is reflecting the or giving us the relevant output. Now if I refresh this page, you can see this is how we have embedded the audio file in HTML. In order to play and basically stop, we can use the simple or the general controls that an audio file gives us. So this is how we embed an audio file. Stay tuned with me, my students, for the next module in which we will be learning how the tags, new tags, are helping HTML5 make a cleaner and a semantic code. So we are going to do a small project. So please stay tuned. Thank you.